Legend Life fam. Hope you are all having a great Thursday. We have got an exciting lineup of stories for today, starting with a game-changing development for the internet computer ecosystem, an exciting update on their integration with Solana. Then we'll be discussing the ICP ecosystem's recent addition of gold-backed liquidity, which is definitely pushing boundaries in decentralized finance. Finally, we'll explore the growing adoption of internet identity, which is making a splash in the world of privacy-focused digital authentication. Before we get in, if you love the content, consider donating to Legend Life. You will find our wallet details in the description. Now, let's get started with story 1. ICP has just launched a Solana remote procedure called Canister on its testnet. This means that ICP canisters can now query Solana RPC endpoints directly. No more relying on bridges or third-party wrappers. It's a cleaner, more direct connection between two of the fastest growing blockchain ecosystems, setting the stage for richer collaboration between decentralized apps and services. With this canister, smart contracts on ICP can now communicate with Solana nodes as though they are part of the same infrastructure. No middleman, no additional layers, just two networks speaking directly. This could be a game changer in Web3, where most interoperability solutions still rely on bridges, which have proven vulnerable to security flaws and latency issues. What makes this development stand out is its simplicity and security. The new RPC canister does away with the complexities that typically come with interoperability. Rather than routing data through centralized points like bridges or oracles, the canisters now communicate directly with each other. This reduces the risk of security breaches and ensures a much more decentralized approach to cross-chain functionality. As Solana's popularity continues to rise thanks to its high-speed execution and low fees, ICP's decentralized nature allows it to offer a completely different value proposition. By integrating these two ecosystems, developers can build dApps that combine Solana's fast transaction layer with ICP's decentralized backend. The possibilities here are huge, whether it's creating real-time dashboards for Solana assets or using ICP-based analytics to visualize Solana's staking performance. Currently, the canister is available on the testnet, so developers can trial it ahead of full deployment. The ultimate goal is to ensure decentralization stays intact by having the network nervous system manage upgrades and maintenance once the canister goes live. This approach ensures that updates are handled by the community rather than a centralized party, keeping the ethos of decentralization alive. So whether you are a developer or a crypto enthusiast, this integration is definitely one to keep an eye on. The ability to directly access Solana data on ICP is opening up a world of possibilities for smarter, safer, and faster dApps. Moving on, let's talk about another major development in the ICP ecosystem. From decentralized communication to decentralized finance, the next story shows how ICP is pushing the boundaries of DeFi with gold-backed liquidity. The ICP ecosystem just got a lot more exciting with the addition of gold token liquidity. Gold-backed tokens that are now live on ICP Swap thanks to a major move from Axiom.info. This development is not just about increasing liquidity. It's a strategic shift that brings traditional finance into the blockchain world in an innovative way. The gold token is a digital gold-backed asset that offers the stability of gold but with all the flexibility and security of blockchain technology. By adding liquidity for gold token on ICP Swap, the ICP ecosystem is not only strengthening its foundation, but also bringing something uniquely valuable to the decentralized finance space. For developers, this presents a unique opportunity to create financial products that combine the best of traditional and decentralized finance. Imagine offering a financial product that's both backed by gold and powered by blockchain technology. It's the perfect combination of stability and innovation. This move also signals a growing interest in integrating traditional assets like gold into the world of DeFi, which has the potential to attract a new wave of users to the ICP ecosystem. In addition to the new liquidity, the Acorn and Gold token liquidity pool on ICP Swap offers users the opportunity to not only participate in this exciting new ecosystem, but also earn rewards for their involvement. This means that ICP users can now stake, swap, and yield farm with gold token, benefiting from its stability while helping to further grow the ICP ecosystem. This gold-backed liquidity also opens up new avenues for DeFi developers. By integrating gold token into DeFi products, developers can create the innovative tools and services that were previously reserved for traditional markets. This is a significant milestone for the ICP ecosystem, and it's clear that the platform is setting the stage for even greater developments in the future. So if you are looking to get involved, check out the Acorn and Gold Token liquidity pool on ICP Swap, where you can add liquidity and earn rewards while supporting the growth of the ecosystem. We have covered interoperability and DeFi. Now let's get into how ICP is empowering users with privacy-respecting digital identities. Privacy is becoming an increasingly valuable commodity in the digital world, and the Internet computer is leading the charge with its Internet Identity feature. This privacy-centric identity system has gained significant traction in the first quarter of 2025, with over 60,000 new Internet identities created. And that's not just about creating more user accounts. This milestone represents a deeper shift towards a decentralized, privacy-first Internet. Unlike traditional login systems that rely on email addresses, phone numbers, or third-party authentication services, ICP's Internet Identity doesn't require passwords or centralized authorities. Instead, it uses web authentication technology supported by devices like YubiKeys, Apple Face ID, and Android fingerprint sensors to authenticate users while respecting their privacy. The beauty of this system is its simplicity. Users don't have to manage passwords or deal with seed phrases. Instead, their identity is securely stored in Vault on their own device. In just the first 3 months of 2025, the number of Internet identities has skyrocketed, which reflects an increasing adoption of decentralized identity systems that prioritize privacy. What's impressive is that this surge in usage isn't driven by token giveaways or incentives. These are real users choosing a system that respects their privacies while providing a seamless experience. This is a stark contrast to the traditional Web2 model where users often have to trade privacy for convenience. By using a pseudonymous anchor rather than linking every interaction to personal data, Internet Identity ensures that users can engage with apps without exposing their sensitive information. And since this system operates entirely on the Internet computer blockchain, there are no third-party APIs or centralized intermediaries involved. What's particularly exciting is how developers are embracing Internet Identity across various applications, from social media and gaming to finance and governance. This shows that decentralized identity is more than just a trend, it's becoming a foundational part of the web. With privacy increasingly becoming a concern for users worldwide, this is a feature that's sure to continue gaining momentum throughout 2025 and beyond. And that wraps up today's stories, folks. We have covered a lot of exciting developments from ICP's integration with Solana to the addition of gold-backed liquidity and the growing adoption of privacy-respecting Internet identities. As always, if you enjoyed this content, don't forget to check out the donation details in the description to support Ledger Life. And make sure to check out the projects we mentioned in today's video. They are all linked in the description below. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.